Hi, I'm Jairo from Contabo. If you're moving your website to a new hosting provider, you also need to migrate WordPress if you use that. What is WordPress? It's the most popular website platform powering over 40% of the internet, great for blogs, businesses, and online stores. Today, I'll show you how to migrate WordPress quickly and safely from one hosting provider to another. There are three main ways to migrate WordPress: using a plugin, manual migration, or a hosting provider's migration tool. Let's start with the easiest option. The easiest way to migrate WordPress is with a plugin like all-in-one WP migration. Let's go step by step. First, install the plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, go to the plugins, then add new search for all-in-one WP migration, and click Install Now, and activate. Now we export your website. Navigate to all-in-one WP migration. To export, click Export to, then File, and download the backup file. Next, set up a fresh WordPress installation on your new hosting provider. Install the same plugin, then go to the all-in-one WP migration, import to upload your backup file, and wait for the process to complete. Finally, don't forget to fix permalinks. Go to Settings, Permalinks, save changes, and your migration is done. For more control, you can manually migrate WordPress by moving files and databases. This method is best for larger websites or when plugins aren't an option. Let's go step by step. First, we back up your WordPress files. Use FTP like FileZilla or cPanel File Manager to download all files from your old hosting provider. Next, we export the database. Go to php-myadmin, select your database, click Export, Quick, SQL, and download the file. Now, let's upload everything to the new host. Using FTP or cPanel, upload your WordPress files into the public HTML directory. Then, we create a new database. In cPanel, go to MySQL databases, create a new database and user, and assign full privileges. Next, import the database. Open php-myadmin, select the new database, click Import, and upload your SQL file. Finally, update wp-config.php with the new database credentials. Once that's done, go to the WordPress settings, save your permalinks, and test your site. If everything looks good, your migration is complete. Some hosting providers offer migration tools. If available, this is the fastest way. Just enter your old hosting details and it automatically transfers everything. Sometimes migrations don't go perfectly. Here are a few quick fixes for common issues. If you have broken links or missing images, use the Velvet Blues Update URLs plugin, a WordPress plugin designed to quickly update URLs in your database when you move your website to a new domain or hosting provider to fix them. If you see a white screen of death, a common WordPress error where your website displays a blank white page instead of loading properly, increase the PHP memory limit in wp-config.php by adding this line. And if you get a database connection error, double-check your wp-config.php database credentials. So what's the best method? If you want a quick and easy solution, use a plugin. If you prefer full control, do it manually. And if your hosting provider offers free migration, just take advantage of it. Now, you know how to migrate the WordPress like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo.